guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I already said this, but it's been a minute, so I'm just gonna show my face here for a quick second and just talk to you all for a little bit. I think it's been about 5 months since I actually been on this channel, and I missed you guys so freaking much. But it was the fact that I did not have anywhere to clean, like physically. I didn't have anywhere to clean, so therefore I wasn't able to just jump back on this channel and just have content for you all, because I didn't have anything to post. But now that we are going to be back, well, we actually are going to be living in our own place, which will be our own place. I can jump back into making content for you all. So the next video y'all will see will hopefully be a clean with me, or it's gonna be like my first clean with me, so that's probably what I'll name it, like my first clean with me in our new home. I'm gonna say it's our new home, even though it's a very old home. It's a 1995 single wide. It's not new, nowhere near new, but it's ours, paid for, so to me it's new. I'm so excited, y'all. I'm so freaking excited. It's been a long time coming. I'm just thinking, like, how I was praying for, our situation, what we had going on. I was praying for our situation. I just wanted to know what would be our next step, what we're gonna be going from here. And then I kind of just let, I was kind of like, I'm not gonna worry about it too much more, because it's really out of my control. So after I did that, I feel like everything started falling in place for us. So here we are today. We got our new home, and I'm just so freaking excited. Now the only part about it I'm not looking forward to, I'm not even gonna lie to y'all, is I feel like when it's time to clean, I'm gonna be a little bit nervous, because I was always the type where people wanted me to clean for them. Like, people really wanted me to clean for them, and I was saying, no. I would tell them no, because I'm just not used to cleaning other people's homes. So when it come down to me actually having to clean out our mobile home, I feel like I'm gonna be nervous, because it's not ours. Well, it's ours, but it was belonging to someone else. I don't know if that makes sense, but in my head it do make sense what I'm trying to say, but I don't know how to describe it. But anyways, y'all, I'm so excited. I prayed and prayed and prayed, and I just, watched God do his thing, and he finally gave us an answer. It's only been like a month since I was notified of this trailer, and then I got right on it, and then we got it, we purchased it. I purchased it, and it's paid for. I have no notes or anything like that, so I'm so excited about that part. That's a blessing within itself. With that being said, we got our new mobile home, and as you can see, it needs some work, but I feel like, I can do that along the way. It's nothing really major. It just needs some good cleaning. It needs some good TLC. That's what it needs. Tender loving and care. What I'm gonna be doing is transforming this house into a home. So I want y'all to stick around with us and watch as I do that. I'm super excited. I got so many ideas. Now, even in the beginning, I really never did want anything like brand new, because I knew from the gate that I wanted to do like projects. So therefore I didn't want anything brand new. I wanted something older, and that I could put my own touch on it. And you can always go back and remodel stuff and do little stuff here and there. First thing I want to be working on is the bathroom, which will be my bathroom. Work on that, and I'm gonna work on the room, because the bathroom, I don't know if y'all saw it on the video or not, but the floor in the bathroom is kind of like rotten. Like the wood, I think, is rotten in the bathroom, so they have to fix that. So what I did, I went ahead and got another piece of rug to go down there to replace that. I got a new vanity, and I got a new vanity top. So I will be working on that in that bathroom, and it's probably gonna look way different once y'all see it next time. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to record like the process, but I'm gonna try to record myself, you know, like doing sprucing it up the way that I would do it, because I'm probably gonna add some wallpaper, which is my favorite. I love adding wallpaper. I was thinking about doing like a shiplap wall, but I don't know how to do it, so I'm probably add like some wallpaper that has like shiplap. So y'all just stick around with me while I do that, and as time goes on, I'm just gonna be making little minor updates, major updates, minor, I don't know. As we go, we'll see. I can't promise anything because y'all already know me. I be all over the place, but I'm just so excited to finally be in this place where we will be moving into our own home. And I'm gonna say my own home because it's gonna be mine. My name is on the title, and you know, nobody can kick me out. Nobody can say, you know, look, hey, this is going back or nothing like that. Nothing. It's gonna be mine, and I'm gonna be here probably for a good little while, me and the kids. And I just want y'all to come along with us while I do what I do. And yeah, I'm just so excited. So y'all just stay tuned to see what's gonna be happening next. I know I'm probably all over the place, but I'm so excited, y'all, and I miss y'all so freaking much. So thank you so much for just coming back, watch another video. Stay tuned for the rest of the updates or whatever. Next video most likely will be either clean with me, or well, it is gonna be a clean with me. I'm waiting on my tripod to come in the mail right now. Once they come in the mail and once our lights come on, I will be doing the clean with me. So y'all just stay tuned for that. Thank you so much for being here. Thank y'all for the prayers. Thank y'all for just being here and just supporting us along the way. And we finally made it, y'all. We finally made it. The kids are super stoked. I'm super stoked. And I don't know what else to say. On the outside of the trailer, I'm gonna wrap it with siding, but for right now, it's just gonna stay the way it is. And I'm gonna put some skirting down at the bottom also. But we have to get it pressure washed. So when you look on the outside, you probably don't look like much. You probably don't like much to some people on the inside or the outside, but I see potential in it. So I'm just going by what I see. I'm not really too much caring about what nobody else thinks, because I know, you know, what I have planned for it. But if you know our story, you know, I'm grateful. I'm forever grateful for this blessing. Forever grateful. And I'm just thankful that God saw fit to, you know, give me a chance. And man, I feel like just yesterday, it was just yesterday, I was just praying. I was stressed out praying for just anyway. You know, oh, it's crazy. It's crazy how life works, but I'm just thankful that God saw fit to do what he do best, and I'm just excited for our future. So y'all just stay tuned, and thank you again for being here, and I just can't wait.